Hello friends, a very warm welcome to all of you from Aussizz Group. I'm Malcolm, your PT coach. Friends, today I have with me Catherine. Catherine is from Fiji, the beautiful country of Fiji. She recently took her PTE Academic test and has got a fantastic score of 88 out of 90 overall score, which is a band 9 equivalent score in IELTS. She's got a score of 90 in speaking, 90 in listening, 90 in writing and 88 in reading. And that's how the overall score of 88, which is a band 9 score as per IELTS. So Catherine, if you could just give a brief introduction to our viewers, please.
Hello, my name is Catherine. I'm from Fiji.
Alright. Catherine, you have taken the test a couple of times before.
Yes.
So how was the test experience? And since you got 90 this time, band 9 equivalent score, I'm sorry, what one advice would you like to give to the viewers who are mainly struggling to get a band 7 or band 8 score? What is the most important thing to get the required score according to you?
To me, I think the most important things are you have to be very confident and
True.
you have to manage your time well, especially in the reading section.
Very true, yes. So she hit the nail right on the head. You have to be really good with time management, because if you're not able to manage the time, it's really difficult to finish the paper. And if you don't finish the paper, however good you are in your English, it is not going to help you. Also, Catherine, I'd like to ask you, you came for just 1 week. You had a very busy schedule. Still you got your desired score.
Yes.
So how was the coaching experience, if you could just share with the viewers?
I think the experience with Malcolm is very good. He's very good in giving tips and techniques and just getting the right things done.
Thank you so much, Catherine. And last but not the least, I'd also like to ask you, how did pttutorials.com, our website, help you for the test?
It gave me more confidence, and especially when you're doing the practice tests, more like in the real test experience.
Right. Thank you so much. And lastly, would you like to recommend Aussizz Group to your friends and well-wishers?
Definitely.
Definitely. So thank you so much, Catherine. As a small token of our gesture of appreciation, we have a small gift from you from Aussizz Group. Many congratulations to you.
Thank
and
you.
we really wish you the best for your PR as well. We are hopeful you'll get it really soon now.
Thank you. Thank you, Malcolm. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Catherine. So friends, what are you waiting for? Whatever your target score is, be it 6 each, 7 each, 8 each or 9 each, please come to us. We'll be more than happy to help you to get your required score. Think PT, think Aussizz Group. Thank you.